Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem 2024. So let's get started. First, let's find WhatsApp. Now long press on it, then click on this button right here. From here, you're going to click on Storage and Cache, clear storage, then hit delete. After that, go back to the previous page. Now, you want to click on Permissions. From here, you want to make sure all of these permissions I have allowed on my phone are also allowed on yours. The rest on the bottom aren't really that necessary, so you don't have to allow them. But after you're done allowing all these permissions, you want to head over to the Google Play Store. Now click on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. You want to make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.